All right, last topic. Let's see how to determine the rate of interest or the time required to double a lump sum of money. So let's look at the example. What annual rate of interest compounded annually is needed in order to double an investment in 5 years? Okay, so what we already know here, we know the time, right? T equals 5. That's the same we know. And then we know the future value is doubles the original investment, right? And then what else we know? The compounded annually, so that means n equals 1. All right. So for the future value formula, that's A equals P times 1 plus R over N raised to N times T power. We don't know specifically what is the initial principal and what is the future value of the account balance, but we know A equals twice of the P. Is that right? So we can update, okay, we can plug in all the information we know into the formula. So replace A by 2P, and then principal, we still put a P, and then 1 plus R. The interest rate, that's the same we're looking for, right? So R we don't know, we just keep the variable R in there. And then N equals 1, right? And then N times T, N equals 1, T equals 5. So 1 times 5, that's equals to 5, right? So left-hand side, right-hand side, we can cancel P out, divided both sides of equation by P. So we got 2 equals 1 plus R raised to the 5th power. Okay, and how to calculate R? With both sides of equation, find the 5th roots. Okay, 5th roots of 2 equals 1 plus R. And then subtract 1 on both sides, we can solve for the R. R equals 5th roots of 2 minus 1. Okay, if you put in the calculator, how to put a calculator 5th roots of 2, that's the same as 2 raised to 1/5 power. Okay, that is the 5th roots of 2. So in the calculator, you need to put a 2 and then caret key, okay, that means exponents, and then 1 divided by 5, and then press enter, okay, and then minus 1. And then you will get the answer is about 0.148698. All right, that's how to do this example. And then you can look at the solution set. It's the same. And then the next example is very similar. Okay, there are two. We're going to do one by one. Okay, A, it says how long will it take for investment to double in value if it earns 5% compounded continuously? And then the B, how long will it take to triple at this rate? So the rate is 5%. Okay, compound continuously, we use the formula A equals P times E raised to the RT power, right? So how long, we're actually looking for the T. T is the unknown variable, right? So for the A part, A equals 2P. In the B, A equals 3P. So we just need to plug in, okay? So we solve here is A, here we solve the B, okay? So A equals P times E raised to the RT power. So double the value, that's 2P equals P times E to the RT power. P and P cancel, so we have 2 equals E to the R times T, right? What is R? That's 0.05 times T. Is that right? And then with both sides of equation to find a natural log. Okay, both side equation find a natural log, and then we got a length of 2 on the left hand side. Right hand side, we can use the log property. That's 0.05 t. Is that right? So we can solve t equals length of 2 divided by 0.05, and then we can approximately get 13.86. Okay, and then repeat the same process for the b. So this time a equals 3p. Okay, so a equals p e r t. Replace a by 3p this time. P times e raised to the rt power. P cancel, so we got a 3 equals e to the 0.05 t. And then both sides find the natural log. And then we got a length of 3 equals 0.05 t. So we solve t equals length of 3 divided by 0.05. And then that approximately equals 21.97. So now we can answer the question, right? So it will take about 14 years to double the investment, and then it will take about 22 years to triple the investment. All right, so this is 6.7, and then we finished today. This is the solution.